In the world of international arms dealing, Kim Jong Un's Doom Factory is the nickname for North Korea's vast, state-run military-industrial complex. This network has shifted from arming Pyongyang to fueling a new customer, Russia. The centerpiece is the KN-23 missile, a short-range, ballistic missile modeled after Russia's Iskander, designed to evade detection and strike with precision. Unlike older missiles, the KN-23 flies low and maneuvers mid-flight, making it nearly impossible for air defenses to intercept. This leap in technology is no accident. Experts believe North Korea's advances are tied to outside help. Satellite imagery shows North Korean factories running non-stop, producing hundreds, possibly thousands of these advanced missiles, far more than needed for their own defense. The scale points to a clear goal: supplying Russia's war in Ukraine. This operation serves Kim Jong Un's regime in two ways. It brings in desperately needed resources and provides real-world testing for North Korea's latest weapons. Each missile fired in Ukraine gives North Korean engineers valuable data to refine their designs. The war has become a live-fire laboratory for Pyongyang's arsenal, with global consequences. The Doom Factory is no longer just a symbol of isolation. It's now a key player in a major European conflict. Kim Jong Un's weapons are shaping the battlefield far beyond his borders. The North Korea-Russia alliance has transformed from Cold War relic to a modern, transactional partnership. When Russia's invasion of Ukraine stalled, Moscow's ammunition stocks dwindled and sanctions bit hard. Putin turned to Kim Jong Un, who saw a chance to break isolation and gain a powerful patron. North Korea's vast stockpiles of Soviet-era munitions became Russia's lifeline. In return, Kim gained food, fuel, cash, and, most importantly, access to advanced military technology. High-profile meetings and a new mutual defense pact have formalized this alliance, sending a clear message to the world. Russia gets the shells and missiles it needs. North Korea gets resources and legitimacy. This is a pragmatic, cynical partnership, one that openly defies international law and upends the global order. The war in Ukraine has made these two regimes indispensable to each other. Their alliance is now a central force in the conflict. The logistics of moving North Korean weapons to Russia are staggering. Since late 2023, cargo ships have shuttled thousands of containers from North Korea's Rajan port to Russia's Far East. Satellite images show these ships unloading at military piers, with containers packed full of artillery shells and rockets. Estimates suggest North Korea has shipped up to 6 million shells, giving Russia a decisive edge in Ukraine's artillery war. Trains carry the munitions across Russia to the front lines, fueling relentless bombardments. The shipments also include advanced KN-23 missiles, used to strike deep inside Ukraine. This arms pipeline blatantly violates UN Security Council resolutions Russia once supported. By breaking these rules, Moscow shields Pyongyang from sanctions and gives Kim Jong Un unprecedented freedom. The arsenal of the East is not just supplying a war, it's rewriting the rules of international relations. North Korea's weapons are now central to Russia's war machine. North Korea's support isn't charity, it's a lucrative deal. The most vital payment is oil. Russian tankers now supply North Korea with the fuel it needs to keep its factories running and its military moving. Beyond fuel, Pyongyang is after advanced military technology, spy satellites, nuclear submarine designs, and missile guidance systems. Russia is believed to be providing technical expertise, accelerating North Korea's weapons programs. Hard currency and luxury goods also flow in, propping up Kim's regime and rewarding his inner circle. The arms shipments are worth billions, much of it paid in barter and cash. Most importantly, Russia's diplomatic cover at the UN gives North Korea new legitimacy and protection from further sanctions. This alliance has elevated Kim Jong Un from isolated pariah to strategic partner of a major world power. For North Korea, the benefits are economic, technological, and political. The deal is transforming the regime's future. The alliance has moved beyond weapons. North Korean soldiers are now on the ground. In December, Pyongyang celebrated the return of its 528th Regiment of Engineers from a combat mission in Russia's Kursk region. Officially, 9 soldiers were killed and honored as heroes. But Western intelligence suggests the real numbers are far higher, up to 14,000 North Korean troops deployed, with thousands of casualties. Their mission mine clearing and engineering support under fire, freeing Russian troops for the front lines in Ukraine. This deployment is a direct result of the new Mutual Defense Pact. When Ukraine attacked Russian territory, Moscow called in its ally. North Korean boots on the ground in Europe mark a dramatic escalation. Kim Jong Un is willing to sacrifice his own soldiers to support Putin's war. This is no longer just an arms deal, it's a full-blown military alliance in action. The Russia-North Korea alliance is reshaping global security. It's more than a marriage of convenience, it's a new axis of authoritarian power. North Korean munitions fuel Russia's war in Ukraine, while Russian technology advances Pyongyang's nuclear ambitions. This partnership undermines decades of non-proliferation efforts and weakens the UN's authority. For the US, South Korea, and Japan, it's a nightmare. North Korea now acts with boldness, shielded by Russia's veto. The alliance gives Russia a battlefield advantage and emboldens Kim Jong Un to take greater risks. America's wavering support for Ukraine adds to the uncertainty, while the world watches a new volatile order take shape. Regional conflicts are now interconnected, with consequences that span continents. Two nuclear-armed states, led by authoritarian rulers, are openly cooperating to defy the international system. The Doom Factory is building more than missiles. It's helping construct a far more dangerous world.